Auto check glow flag. Ito yung bad, ito yung good. So set ang multimeter to 200. So ang value niya is 1.3 ohms. Ito din sa kabila. .7 0.5. So ito yung good. Look at the bad one. Still heating but little bit throwing code for this one. Blue flag circuit performance. So that's the good resistance for the new one, and this is for the old one.